This is the Team PiDrogen video of the obstacle course. We're doing this radio control. The obstacle course itself runs for about 4.5 minutes, but then on the end of the video there's some footage from the robot using its head-up display system. This is the Team PiDrogen obstacle course video. We're doing it radio control mode with Nathan at the controls. We're going to start off on the concrete drive, through the gate onto gravel. A bit of grass mixed in. Up the edge of that onto some bigger gravel, then onto full-scale grass. Now the first of the DIY obstacle course things. That was hinges, cabinet hinges, over some tools. These are 45mm pieces of wood. Straight over those with the suspension taking up the irregularity of the terrain. Back across the grass, onto the gravel, up the first ramp. A bit of a jump there, caught a bit of air. Back onto some more gravel. Around to the fire pit where we've got some big stones. And onto the next quite serious ramp now. We've got quite a steep incline. Oh, done easily this time. Now a bit of care needed. We're on a scaffold plank. And there's not much room for error. Nicely done, Nathan, and onto the roof. Heading up to a 4-metre pitch. And once we get up to the top there, a bit of an effort to get over the ridge. Nicely done, Nathan. Right, we're going to walk round. Get ready on the pyros, Callum. Back the way we came, because we can't see where we're going over the other side of the roof. And there we are on the top of the roof. Down here, down the other side. And onto another ladder. Again, some delicate control needed down here. Big drop if this comes off of here. Ooh. Edge of the seats going on here, down the back of the trailer. Oh dear, we'll put that back up right, I think. Always going the under trailer route, wasn't expecting that. We might have a faulty back wheel going on there by the looks of that. Are we going to make it to the end, I wonder? I think we've got a fault. But Nathan's going to carry on, see if he can get up the slope. That's more than 40 degrees up there. Whoa, it's right on the limits of what this thing can do. I think I might give it a quick helping hand because we are going to lose traction up there. Whoa! And there we have the end of the Team PiDrogen Pi Wars Obstacle Course Challenge. Hope you liked it as much as we enjoyed doing it. Stay tuned for the outtakes and some footage from the robot camera, which was recording with its artificial horizon on, so you can see some of the angles. It's goodbye from Team PiDrogen. Keep watching if you'd like to see some footage taken by PiDrogen itself as it falls off the roof that it drove over. So we join the action as it's just going up that scaffold plank. This was one of the previous takes, obviously.
Robot gets nicely to the top of the scaffold plank and starts going up the roof. I think there's a pause here as we reposition so that we can see what we're doing, and Nathan continues to drive up the roof. Now the problem comes when we get to the ridge, which is just ahead of us. What's about to happen is the robot tries to take on the ridge but gets tipped onto its back, and then it slides down the roof upside down, kind of rotating as it goes, and drops off the roof onto the gravel. Didn't get to it quite in time, but we put it back on its wheels, and then lo and behold, off it drives again. It's ready for action. Just a small amount of repair needed.